Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are solving another lead code problem, that is 1647 minimum deletion to make character frequency unique. Before jumping into the solution, I would highly recommend you should read the problem statement on your own and give at least 15 to 30 minutes to this problem. So let's discuss what problem is asking. Problem is asking, let's take an example to be much more clear, because talk is cheap. Show me the code. So A is equals to 3. What 3 is? Their frequency. B is 2. C is also 2. E is 1. What problem is asking is that if the frequencies are equal, delete the minimum, perform the minimum number of deletion to make their frequencies different. What we can do over here is we can change this to 1. So 1 deletion. Also, another problem arise over here. 1 1. Change it to 0. One more deletion. So 2 deletions were done as given in the problem. That much is clear. Now, how to do it? The real problem arise. How to do it? Something should have clicked in your mind. Hash map. Why hash map? Because we are doing frequencies. And if you think little more, a hash vector should have also struck in your mind. Hash vector, what I hash called hash vector is when in this type of particular question where characters are defined, in this only lowercase letter are required, so 26 would fulfill instead of hash map. So we will make a 26 size vector, and you know how to store by using this their frequency. That much is clear. The intuition is clear. Why hash vector? You know. Also, one thing to look at is, while doing this calculation of frequencies and deletion, did 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 we care about the position? Think about it. Did we care about the position? So position is none of our concern, but the frequency is. So if it is written like this, 3 2 2 0 1, A B C D E, it would be difficult for us. It would be difficult for us to know the deletion, because some zero may will appear, and all that things will come in many many forms of wrong submission. So to minimize our wrong submission and to save our brain energy also, one thing we can do is sort it in increasing order. It is much better. We would know when the zero will appear, and we will just get out of our algo, because nothing to worry about zero, I guess. So, not I guess, it is nothing to worry about zero. So, sorting helps in two things. First, it makes computation easier, less painful for brain, and it's kind of easy to make algo on this instead of this, because there are many uncertainties. But at this form, it is absolute certain about our algo. So what our algo is check I and I plus 1. I and I plus 1. If it is less, here it is less. Nothing to worry about. Again, I and I plus 1. Both are equal. It is something to worry about. While doing the deletion, what would be the minimum number of deletion that you can make to make this unequal is this. Take max of 0 comma whatever is present at I plus 1 minus 1. Okay, so you should be thinking where from where this come, not come, came. For example, something was already 0 and you do minus 1. Will you take minus 1? Minimum we can have 0 frequency. So in this condition, we need to take 0. So max. Okay, that much is clear. We do this. Now this becomes 1 and again we do this. Already discussed it. Now what is our algo? Make hash vector of size 26 comma 0, 0 for 0 frequency because minimum our minimum frequency is 0. Sort it, discussed by in increasing order, and iterate from back. Okay, also condition to vary is greater than. When this happens, what to do? Store the previous I. You will know what is the use of previous I. Now at I, what should be done is this: minimum number of deletion. Now to calculate deletion, just very simple. Previous minus new, we get the number of deletion. Very simple maths. And keep on iterating from backward till you do not find any 0, because when the 0 appear, it means game over, not to process any much further. That's it for the algo was already discussed while explaining, but I did iterate it over again because repetition makes it better. Let's do dry run of our algo. We have this condition. We are using this same example: 32201, 32201, 01223, I plus 1. Nothing to worry. Check other. Something to worry has occurred. What to do? Take this previous to new is equals to max of 0 comma I plus 1 minus 1, 0 comma 1. So new is 1. Number of deletion took 2 minus 1, 1. Now it became something like this: 2, 2, 3, not 2. This time it's 1. Again, this something to worry about. Again, similar thing appeared. Previous is 1, new is max of 0 comma I plus 1 minus 1. What we get? 1 minus 1, 0, 0, 0. So this becomes 0 and deletions are previous minus new, which is 1. Total deletion are is 2. Total deletion are 2. Again 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. Now terminating condition appeared, I is 0. That's our end of the algo, and I hope I was able to make a convincing argument about why this solution was is working. So let's get into the code. The hash vector storing in the vector only, sorting, number of deletion, iterating from backward, why I is equals to 24, not 26, not sorry, not 26, 25, because we are doing I plus 1. So very basic thing, I guess. If I is equals to 0, already discussed. Our breaking condition, let me give some space. Yeah, over space over here also. Condition to worry about. I've taken a greater than condition. I've taken greater than condition. Let me discuss this greater than condition. I missed it. Again, okay. Store previous. Why previous? You know it because it is easy. No mathematical brainer would be required, and return the deletion. Let me discuss why greater than 1. This case appear. This was the edge case. I just forgot. This would be, here was I. This is I plus 1. We do it. We change this to 2 to 1 2. But if we are just seeing equal condition, we would be in very much trouble, because this is not very good condition. Our algo will not be able to process it. So that's why you have to put greater than equal to condition, because you have to have smallest over here. If we only process like before equal conditions, then our algo will not be able to handle these type of cases. I guess I am able to convey the approach. Let's submit it. I hope this runs. Yeah, belief system, you can see in action. So uh, I hope you learned something, and I would say, as always, keep grinding, because you have to do what you have to do. So you guys are awesome. See you in the next video. Bye bye.